Hello, welcome back to Tonghack's channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to make a bar chart in a Google Sheet by iOS or iPhone. So here I already have my data but on the table form. So I want to change or I want to transform this table into the chart bar. So the simple thing you need to do first is just block the cells until it become an active mode, and then just simply click plus button on the upper corner on the right side and then click option chart. And now make sure that you already choose the bar chart by looking for at the type options, click bar and then click finished. Now your table is already transformed into a bar chart. So that's all for tutorials today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.